Okay, so we're going to look at an example about using tree diagrams to find probabilities. So we've got a bag contains 7 green beads and 5 blue beads. A bead is taken at random from the bag and not replaced. Second bead is then taken from the bag. Find the probability that A, both beads are green, and then B, the beads are different colours. So we're going to draw a tree diagram to represent this situation. So we're going to have the first bead could either be green or blue, and so because there's 7 greens, 5 blue beads, green is obviously then 7/12, and then blue is 5/12. And we've got the second bead is then taken from the bag. So if it was green first, we might get a green second as well, and a blue second. If it's green first, probably the second one is also green, becomes 6/11, because we've got 11 beads left in the bag. 6 of them are green because we've taken out the green one. Then for blue beads, we've still got 5 blue beads left, because if we've taken out the green one first, then there's still 5 left out of 11. And then similarly, if the first one was blue, we might get a green second or a blue second. If we got blue first, then there's still 7 greens in the bag out of the 11 that are left. If we got blue first, there are 4 blue left out of the 11 in the bag, like so. And then with tree diagrams, to get a probability at the end, probability of getting green followed by green, we just multiply the probabilities together. So 7/12 times 6/11 is 42 out of 132. And green followed by blue would be 7/12 times 5/11, which is equal to 35 out of 132. And then blue followed by green, 5/12 times 7/11, which is also 35 out of 132. And then finally, both blue, we'd be doing 5/12 times 4/11, and that's 20 out of 132. Okay, so the questions were actually asked then, find the probability that both beads are green. So both beads are green is green followed by green, so it's 42 out of 132. And in question B, the beads are different colours. Well, either that means you had a green followed by a blue, or we had a blue followed by a green. And so the probabilities of each of those events are 35 out of 132 and also 35 out of 132. So the events are mutually exclusive, because green and then blue means you've got different beads altogether. And if you've got blue then green, so then couldn't both happen. So we can add the probabilities together. So it's 35 out of 132, add 35 out of 132, which is 70 out of 132.